These are the headlines for today evening. Bitcoin floats above $16,000. Ether sinks below $1,200. 3.0verse launches first global index of Ethereum ecosystem ETH15 for UAE and global markets. UK crypto fraud climbs by a third to over $270 million. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Cryptocurrency markets were trading lower on Monday as reports of protests taking place across China against strict lockdown measures put in place to prevent COVID-19 sparked sell-offs of major cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Market participants refrained to take any investment bets as overhang from the collapse of the FTX exchange continue to cause distress in the markets. Manoj Thara joins us to explain how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today. Over to you, Manoj.
So cryptocurrency markets were trading lower on Monday as reports of protests taking place across China against strict lockdown measures put in place to prevent COVID-19 sparked sell-offs of major cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. So market participants refrained to take any investment bets as overhang from the collapse of FTX exchange continue to cause distress in the markets. So IC15 index of cryptocurrency was trading lower by 3.2% at 24,320 points. So the overall contagion caused by the FTX collapse will spread further in the coming months as large number of Bitcoin investors have chosen self-custody as trust in centralized players reaches a new low. CoinGap has actually mentioned in a note. So as a result, the supply of Bitcoin on exchanges has fallen to levels which have not seen in the past 4 years. Bitcoin, as a result, was trading at $16,195, down 2.2%. As per the recent update from the on-chain data provider Glassnode, after the FTX collapse, the retail participation has risen to an all-time high. The total amount of participation has grown by 96,200 bitcoins over the past 15 days. This is actually a group which currently owns an astounding 1.21 million bitcoins, which is actually 6.3% of the total circulating supply. That's what analysts have actually estimated. And if you talk about the whales activity, which has already sold over 6,000 bitcoins in the last 10-15 days. So keep an eye on the stats. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 4%, trading at $1,168. So going forward, the Fed chairman's speech and the release of other significant macroeconomic data will influence the market's future trajectory for the week going forward. So the global cryptocurrency market cap was at $819 billion, 2.7% lower. The total crypto volume in the last 24 hours increased by 32% to $45 billion. So US Fed Chairman Jerome Powell is expected to speak on Wednesday as market participants will be watching for indications on whether or not there will be an additional rate increase in December after the latest FOMC meeting minutes suggested that the rate hike cycle may be slowing down. So later this week on Thursday, investors would be tracking cues from the US initial jobless claims data as well. So stock market futures fell on Monday as social unrest from China's prolonged COVID, that's what we have mentioned, sending oil prices lower after Wall Street notched gains during the Thanksgiving holiday shortened week. Futures tied to Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 187 points or 0.5%. S&P 500 futures were trading 0.8% lower and Nasdaq 100 futures shed 0.9%. If you talk about the other altcoins, on my left, Binance BNB was down 6%, was trading at $294. Solana Sol was down 5.7%, was at $13. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $12.3, lower by 5.3%. Polygon Matic was next on the list, was down by 4.2% at $0.82. Cardano's ADA token was down by 4.3%. trading at $0.30. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 9.4% at $0.094. Next on the list was Shiba Inu, down by 4.6%. Ripple's XRP token was trading at $0.38, down by 5.3%. And last on the list was Polkadot, was down by 3.2% to trade at $5.
Thank you, Manoj, for this in-depth market analysis. And now back to the headlines. 3DOTOverse Limited, a subsidiary of Ticker Limited, provides multi-market trade routing platform to users in domestic and global markets, along with knowledge and education facilities through 3DOTOwire, 3DOTO University and 3DOTO TV. The 3DOTOverse, which is a global super app for digital asset universe offering knowledge, awareness, information and data platform for blockchain, metaverse and digital assets to its user, and aids in informed investing or trading decision making, today announced the launch of its most awaited index of Ethereum ecosystem, ETH15. The ETH15 is a broad-based index by market capitalization representing Ethereum, the second largest blockchain with more than 3,000 coins. The base value of the index is set at 10,000 with its base date as July 1, 2022 and rebalanced every quarter. The ETH15, which is the second market benchmark index after IC15 from 3DOTOverse Limited, which was launched on January 3, 2022. In line with the market benchmark index IC15, ETH15 is a transparent and rule-based index which is maintained, monitored and administered by its Index Governance Committee comprising of industry experts, academicians and ex-regulators. The ETH15, the index of Ethereum ecosystem, is designed for tracking the market fundamentals and expected to be a lead indicator for economic value added to the global economy. Cryptocurrency fraud in the UK rose by 32% to £226 million, which amounts to $273 million in 1 year, according to data from the UK Police Unit Action Fraud. The UK is currently in a recession and the cost of living has increased, making some people vulnerable to fraudsters. Cryptocrime has been rife in the UK already, and police officers in the country have seized hundreds of millions pounds worth of cryptocurrency, and there are crypto experts in the police stationed nationwide. Meta Platforms Incorporated, the parent company of Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp, has launched its first metaverse experience in Africa at a mixed reality concert in Lagos, Nigeria. The event tagged #FlexNiger introduced creators to a bold new world of possibilities in the metaverse with 3 major entry points aimed at increasing the dynamism and versatility of the internet user experience. The 3 entry points, NFTs, avatars, and augmented reality, would open up creators to the future of social media by exposing them to expanding and monetizing their content and leveraging on modern technology to increase engagement with their communities in the future. Speaking with journalists at the event, the communication manager for Anglophone West Africa, Ms. Oluwasola, noted that the decision to launch Africa's metaverse journey in Nigeria is strategic, as Nigerian creators play a leading role in content creation in Africa and the world. And now let's go to Ruchi Sharma to get an update on the 3 buzzing stocks of the day.
Doge has risen nearly 50% since 21st November, with most of its gain occurring during US Thanksgiving holiday celebrations, which started on 24th November. Social media influencer David Goldstein mused to his more than 700,000 Twitter followers on 24th November about the possibility of new Twitter boss Elon Musk and Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin working together on Doge improvement. Goldstein explained their motives for wanting to work on Doge, as Musk is interested in turning something that started off as a joke into something serious, and that Buterin tried to work on Bitcoin in the past but did not go well. The Cardano blockchain has reached a new milestone with 7 million native tokens now in circulation. The total number of native assets minted on the Cardano blockchain has now reached 7,055,456 across 65,652 different minting policies. Furthermore, since the introduction of the smart contracts feature on the Cardano network, the matrix has increased, bringing the network closer to competing with established platforms such as Ethereum. As of November 26, the total number of smart contracts running on Plutus Cardano smart contracts platform stood at 3,791. After recording 947 smart contracts on January 1st, the value has increased by 300% or 2,844 in 2022. Notably, the increase in the number of Cardano smart contracts coincides with increased network developments aimed at improving the feature's functionality. Furthermore, Cardano recently launched the Plutus D-App Developer Resource page. The new feature aims to teach beginners about decentralized apps, while developers can learn how to build D-apps with Plutus smart contracts. ADA was trading at $0.3063, down 3.47%, with a market capitalization of $10 billion. The total number of NFT sales on the XRP ledger recently reached a new high on the platform. One of the NFT collection XRPL punks sold item for 108,900 XRP, which is equivalent to $44,000 according to On XRP, an XRPL-based modular ecosystem. According to the official Twitter account of On XRP, the sale was the result of an open auction by XPunk #8811. The buyer's identity was not revealed by the platform, but he or she is well known in the XRPL punks community. Since the long-awaited XLS20 amendment to the XRP ledger was implemented this fall, XPunks have traded a total of 1.78 million XRPs. XRP was trading at $0.383, down 4.51% in the past 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $19 billion.
Thank you, Ruchi. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more such updates, please like, share and subscribe to 3.0 TV.